A Spear LT 11.5 upper conversion kit on an Arrow M4 lower. First shots. Go ahead.
Are we doing the headshot or are we doing center?
Yeah, towards the top somewhere. See if you can see it.
All right.
You see it?
Yeah.
Try to put two more right there. Slow it down a little bit. Give me two more. All right, on you. Send one more, because that second round was almost spot on. Let's go down there and check it out. All right, let's see if you can hit the swinger down there. Money. Quick little 25-yard zero. That was dead center too. Hit another one. Hit the one on the tree stump that was normally painted green. A little left. All right, hit the white one that's swinging again. Just a little left. Still a little left. Spun it. Oh, first. Easy money. Consider that side. What do you think about the recoil impulse?
That recoil impulse is
It's not too bad, huh?
smooth.
So this is in the adverse or the minus setting.
Yeah, it feels really good, man. That recoil is smooth.
It's got a nice ejection on it. Till you throw a can, but which
already warm
coming
up.
soon. All right, we're gonna run some drills. So we got the cold start of the month that Mil Spec Mojo has going on. Stand by. Two, reload. Timeout. Headshot. All right, aside from that mess up, he had a full mag. Forgot to remind him about that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Charlies. And it was in a 35-53.
35.
So we're gonna rerun that again with the proper round of rounds. All right, on you.
Ready?
Two. Two, reload, one. Reload. One round. Four rounds. Reload. All five, one to the head with a pistol. Three, four, five. Pistol. 38.05. Sharpie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Charlies. 6 Charlies.
6 Charlies.
Two. Height of her bore. Reload. 1. Four. Reload. 5. Height of her bore. Pistol to the head. Ah.
Wow.
34, 39. Still not bad.
It's my best one, but it's 30.
Let's see what. Let me see that Sharpie. You did better on the height of her bore, I think. You pulled 1, so
2, I guess, because look.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7.
Oh shit, 7,
8.
8. In all fairness, that's A zone. I don't think you're really registering. I don't think you're registering the height of her bore too much, which is fine. So Charlie times 8. It was a 34.
39. 34.39.
Not bad. Well, guys, we're gonna definitely clean this up. We'll run it again next week before the end of August. Hit it once.
Hit it once with it? Okay.
Dry.
Yeah.
So far, it's been fully functional. No extra gas leakage. Just need to get that baby suppressed.
She's running fine.
Hell yeah.